Hello there! The slope of a line could tell us much about the line and its graph on the Cartesian plane. Now each slope can be solved using 2 points. So we have here 3 pairs of points, A, B, C, D, E, F. We're going to solve for the slope of a line that contains them. The slope of a line is represented by M. Okay? This M is solved by the change in the y coordinates over the change in x. In simpler sense, we're just going to take the difference as we move from the first point to the second point. That's what for y, and we have here for x as well. So we're going to substitute here the values for our points. Now it's up to you which point you will consider as the first point or the second point. I tell you, you will get the same slope. Now let us try to get the slope of the line segment AB, or a line containing the points A and B. And let's consider B as our second point. Okay, so to solve for the slope, we'll have the second y coordinate of 5 minus 4. That's for the y coordinates over 6 minus 1. It's very important that you will really follow the pattern. It's okay to interchange the points, but it's not okay that you interchange which is the first coordinate and the second coordinate for this formula here. So the slope of the line containing points AB is 1/5. This is the slope for the line containing A and B. For the slope of a line containing points C and D, we simply use the same process, but in this case, of course, let us try to use point D as our second point. So our y coordinate is 3 minus, take note that it's -3 for y sub 1, so you always need to use this. It's minus y sub 1, and y sub 1 is negative, so make sure to include parentheses. Over, you have -4 as your x sub 2, minus 2, which is your x sub 1. This is actually +6, because that's 3 plus 3 over -6. So the slope for a line containing points C and D is equal to -1. Now for the last pair, same process, point E and F. So you're just going to pick which point is considered as your first point and second point. Again, let me use F as my second point. So you have y sub 2 is -6 minus 2, that's our y sub 1, over our x sub 2, which is 5 over, minus 5 here. So you will have a situation in this manner. You will have -8 over 0. What do you think is the slope of a line containing points EF? The slope here is not 0, but it is infinity, or it doesn't exist in the realm of our what do you call this one, in real numbers. In this sense, we still have a line. Okay, we still have a line, but our line, if our slope does not exist, that slope is the line is actually a vertical line.